service. The receiving signal was originating from Western Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoded. The same system will alert all the counties affected by particular warning. This is No Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Western Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. In this case, the test will be conducted. We now return to regular programming.